Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, North Prairie, Palmyra, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Pale Lake, Potter Lake, and Powers Lake. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin.